Today we are diving deep into Ganesha's idol, but not just as a deity to worship. Every part from his elephant head to his mouse, from his trunk to the sweet he loves, carries a lesson about life, how we think, and how we act. By the end of this video, you will see why Ganesha isn't just an idol, he is a roadmap for living wisely. So let's get started. Let's start with Ganesha's elephant head. The elephant is known for its intelligence and excellent memory. Its head represents wisdom, learning, and understanding life deeply. Elephants can remember water resources and navigate vast areas for years, teaching us the importance of remembering lessons and applying knowledge thoughtfully in our lives. Next, look at his large ears. They remind us to listen more than we speak. In fact, psychologists recommend spending about 80% of our communication time listening and 20% of speaking. Listening deeply allows us to understand people better, reduces the misunderstandings, and respond thoughtfully. Ganesha's small eyes encourages us to focus on what truly matters. They guide us to notice the details and avoid distractions. Modern studies in attention and mindfulness suggest that focusing on the important aspects of life rather than getting lost in the noise. It helps in improving the decision making, productivity, and emotional clarity. The trunk is both strong and flexible. It can lift a tree or delicately pick a flower. This shows adaptability and problem solving. Life is unpredictable, and the trunk teaches us to adjust our approach according to the situation, balancing strength. His big belly symbolizes acceptance and ability to digest life experiences, whether it is positive or negative. It reminds us that we don't have to react to everything. Some things aren't meant to be calmly digested and let it go. The four arms balance different aspects: mind, intellect, ego, and consciousness. Life requires us to balance thinking, feeling, acting, and being aware. Neglecting any one area disturbs harmony, while balancing leads to clarity, purpose, and grounded decision making. Then there is a mouse, Ganesha's tiny vehicle. It represents desires and impulses. Even a small impulse can control us if we aren't careful. Practicing self control, noticing the urges without acting on them, is a key skill for a fulfilled life. The bindi, or the third eye. It sits at the center of his forehead, symbolizing the intuition and insight. Studies in neuroscience shows that reflective thinking and mindfulness improves the intuition, helps us making better choices and respond to the challenges wisely. Ganesha's broken tusk teaches Ganesha's broken tusk teaches sacrifice and purpose. Ancient stories say that he broke it to write Mahabharata, reminding us sometimes meaningful accomplishments requires letting go of something precious and enduring discomfort for a greater goal. Like modaks and laddus, celebrating the joy in small moments. It symbolizes celebrating joy in small moments. Taking time to enjoy little victories and pleasures keeps us motivated and nourishes to our emotional well being. The sandalwood paste it is applied during the rituals, has a purpose. It calms the mind, purifies the space, and improves focus. A simple yet powerful way to center ourselves. Every detail of Ganesha, from his trunk to his mouse, teaches how to lead our lives. So, next time when you see Ganesha, and notice all these small details.